Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Warenga. Kindly do subscribe if you want to learn how I got this slick ponytail. Yes, oh my god, yeah, I did it myself, and you guys are going to see what I used and how I did it. So if you want to learn, kindly keep on watching and please subscribe, like, comment, so that we can keep on with these short hair videos. I am going with the middle part style. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. In this video, I won't be doing so much talking because everything done is self-explanatory. Yes, is it explanatory or explanatory? Yeah, you guys get it. So the main goal of Warenga Beauty is to help young ladies out there to look beautiful, to look cute, to look expensive, inexpensively, or on a budget. So that's my main goal, just to help you so that you guys can see you can always look good even though your bank account is zero, even though you have no cash on your pockets. You can always look good on a budget. So this is me trying to help you guys. So as I said, this video will be less of me talking and more of you guys watching. So as you apply your molding gel wax, there's going to be a white residue. Don't worry, don't freak out. Once you're done applying your molding gel, just go over with your styling gel or whatever styling gel you are using, or hair oil. It's going to cover up the white residue, so don't panic. And once it has dried off, there is no signs of it being there. Keep alternating. Use your styling gel as often. Once you're done applying your molding gel, go over with your styling gel, then again go over with your molding wax, just to ensure everything is as how you want it, or until you feel that that amount is enough. So keep alternating. Make sure that you don't go overboard with the styling gel and don't go overboard with the molding wax. Ensure that they are all spread uniformly and applied generously. Once you have done all of that, ensure you take off your scrunchie, go over with your comb and brush, just to lay things together for the last time, and then we are set to do our edges. Your comb and your brush needs to be your closest friends whenever you are doing sleek hairstyles, because you'll need to go over your hair with the comb or with the brush just to ensure that everything is in alignment, like as you can see. Yeah, make sure you go over it until it looks super cute. So at this point I was just taking off my edges, and you guys are going to see how I worked them through. Sorry, I've remembered I had to record this part for you. So while you're doing your edges, first go with your molding wax, then apply your styling gel, then now you can style your edges as desired. So you see, I started off with my molding gel wax, then I went off with my styling gel on each side. So yeah. I braided my braid extension off camera, so here I am trying to put it on top of my natural hair. So you guys make sure you watch this part so carefully so that you guys can learn. This is the most important part of this whole tutorial, making sure that your extension is firm and that your natural hair is hid and cannot be seen. So I went off with an extra braid. Always ensure that you have an extra braid with you so that you can wrap it around your hair so that it can create like a firm foundation for your braided extension. So as you can see, I had two parts. The first part was shorter and the other part was longer. So I started off with the shorter part, ensuring that it is covering all the hairs, like all my natural hair that was down there. As you can see, it is all hid and perfectly connected to the braided extension. That way no one can know, no one can even guess. And once you're done with that short part of the braid, ensure you go with the other long part, ensuring that everything is neatly sealed and that there is no clue of your hair being down there. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and this turned out to be so cute. Ensure as you do this, you're stretching your braid, ensuring that it is flat as you twist it around your hair so that it can form a very nice and beautiful foundation. Kindly note that I didn't use any pins, I didn't use any got to be freezing gel, and the foundation was laid and firm and strong, and that's how long my hair extension is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with another hair tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe. If you did, can you share it with your friends, your mama, your grandma, your girlfriend, and kindly do subscribe. Bye.